Hey everybody, this is Gulabshah Khatun. I have qualified UGC NET twice. I wanted to prepare for this examination since my graduation itself. But I am married with one kid, so it was really difficult for me to crack this examination. Then a friend of mine suggested me to join A.S.S Science Foundation, and I really felt that very useful. I want to thank the whole team of A.S.S Science Foundation, Sumit sir, Ali sir, Tanya ma'am, and especially Dr. Gaurav Sharma sir. He is a fantabulous teacher. The way he explained the things and all the tips and tricks of him are just amazing and makes the way even more easier. The study materials provided by A.S.S Science Foundation is amazing and more than sufficient, and there is no any need to go anywhere else. And all the aspirants of UGC NET must know the importance of PYQs for this examination, and the PYQs provided by A.S.S Science Foundation is amazing. um, the segregated assignment, the question bank, and the selected solution, and more explanation for those solutions is more than sufficient to crack this examination. Again, I heartily want to thank the whole team of A.S.S Science Foundation. Thank you so much.